Hi students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Eklavya Technosys. In this video, I will explain how to download the OpenOffice.org. So first, open the google.com. Then you type the OpenOffice.org download. Then search, Google search. Click on the Google search. It will be the search. Next option, OpenOffice.org download. That's the URL. Click on the Office download. Apache OpenOffice. Then the one screens you got Windows 32-bit, x86, exe 64-bit. तो choose the operating systems. Operating systems का जो bits होगा उसके accordingly आपको choose करना है. I'll choose the 32 bits. Then download the. Click on the download full installation package. The process will start. PPT presentation में lesson पर ORG is the basically the products of the facilities of the processing, spreadsheet and the presentation making software. As per the class 9 C.B.S.E board syllabus, do the in your computer.